Makhathini umile kwelokuthi abaphathi beSABC bazoqhubeka nokudiliza izisebenzi. Lokhu kuzokwenzeka nakuba izolo kube nomhlangano obushubile phakathi kwabaphathi kanye nezisebenzi zezindaba zeSABC. Makhathini uthi imali iSABC eholela ngayo izisebenzi ayisakwazi ukumelana nesibalo esiphezulu sezisebenzi. Khathi ebuzwa ukuthi ingabe amalungu eBhodi azokwehliselwa yini imiholo, uthe sekuphele iminyaka emihlanu imiholo yeBhodi ingakhushulwa. Uthe izisebenzi ezizodilizwa kuzomela ziqale phansi futhi zifake izicelo zokuqashwa kabusha ezikhundleni ebezikuzo, kepha ke umholo uzobe usuwehlisiwe futhi angeke zikhushulelwe imiholo kuleminyaka emithathu ezayo.
When it comes to cost, there are two main drivers of our cost. The first one is the compensation cost, which sits at about 43% of our total expenditure. And when we do a benchmark, it is clearly unsustainable. The second one, of course, talks to digital signal distribution, which sits close to about 12-13% of our total expenditure. You cannot ignore the cost line, more especially when we're operating in an environment where revenues are down, and as a result of that, we've got to contain our costs.
Umbono kaMakhathini uza nje iphini likaSihlalo weBhodi leSABC liqeda ukudalula ukuthi amalungu eBhodi eSABC ehlukene phakathi ngalolu daba. uNgqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uStella Ndabeni-Abrahams naye uthe akahambisani nokudilizwa kwezisebenzi. Izolo ucele umhlangano ophuthumayo neSABC watshela izisebenzi ukuthi zehlise umoya njengoba umnyango wakhe usazama ukungenelela kulolu daba.
Can only provide advice and intervention through Parliament, which is given the authority by the law. As you have seen when SABC went to court, then the court ruled against the involvement of the shareholder in the SABC matters. But we are saying we have to be responsible, Blaine. We've seen ministers and entities going to Zondo Commission for failure to provide active oversight.
iSABC bekumele ivele ngaphambi kwekomiti elibhekele ezokuxhumana eParliament namhlanje.
Kanti namhlanje kuvele kwasicacela isisebenzi seSABC ukuthi ngempela izembe libekiwe. uGwen Maphike usebenze ehhovisi likaNdaba zabantu eSABC eBloemfontein. Usesebenze kule nkampani iminyaka eyi13. Ngomsombuluko wathola incwadi ethi uyadilizwa emsebenzini. Kumanje naye ubheke nomsebenzi wokunikeza abanye ozakwabo abazodilizwa eBloemfontein izincwadi. uMaphike oneminyaka ama-38 ongumzali osikhulisela ingane yakhe yedwa.
I was emotional in my own corner, but due to working for HR, I must show my strong heart to support everyone.
uLurato Phitlu na ulahlekelwe umsebenzi emuva kokusebenza eSABC iminyaka eyi15.
Obviously, you had told yourself that come 2021, people wanted to go to school, people wanted to buy houses, people wanted to buy cars, and people wanted to go back to school and study. So now, without a job, you're not going to be able to do all those things.
Kunomoya womunyu kule lovisi, laba basindile zembeni baphatheka kabuhlungu ngalaba bahambayo.
The mood at the present moment is very gloomy in the newsroom. It is difficult for all of us to get composed given the fact that a lot of colleagues that are affected, you work with them, some of them are your closest of friends. So it becomes a sad situation when you see that a lot of them, under these trying circumstances, are being retrenched.
Isihlalo esikhahlamezekile kule office laseBloemfontein kubalwa kuzi izindaba zomsakazo, ezokuthutha, iLesedi FM kanye nezokuxhumana.